Hello, it's me, Mohammad Safillah Khan, and today I come with a new and exciting and an amazing topic, which is integrated approach. So, what is integrated approach? It is related to the attachment of uh, of not a particular thing, not a particular topic. It is just to focus on little bit on all the core topics and all the core points in life, so you can understand, you can already inform about all the things. And this integrated approach was moved towards in our social and daily life, in humanitarianly, in society, in social networking, and in all parts of the society, which is disintegrating today. Every day we see there are a lot of people suicide, lot of people die. There are in families there are a lot of people because of inequality and injustice between the father and children, mother and daughter, and other kind of the relationships was broken due to due to not understanding integrated approach. And that is why disintegration we have seen in all the family split out, and isolated family was seen in every day. So due to this in our life, what is happening is crime is always born due to attachment, particularly one relationship. To handle the life, as we are humans, we are not particularly bonded with a particular one relationship to give the whole life to that particular person or that thing, which can spoil, because it is a circle of nature. When you give, it is a time limit set of every relationship. When we go move beyond that limit of the time, it will re back to us in a negative or in a negative way. Both it happens that in opposite direction as well. But integrated approach is an approach which can change a lot of things in life. As we know, our all the human beings who were existing, born, and everyone has a limited lifetime period. Maybe as we can say 70 years is a maximum timeline, we can say is the age of in today's globally world. So how can we say that give your life to a particular person, to in a relationship, you are to marry someone, or to give your 30-40 years to a particularly one relationship or one another. This is not a integrated approach. Integrated approach tells you that you can respect every relationship which is around you, but you give proper time, to proper management of time to everyone, understand everyone. And it is not about it's about attention. It's not about time giving equally divided to all the relationships which is around you. It is attention, as we are humans, and we understand the pain of this attention, because human needs attention of another attention. I'll just give you an example of the our parents, grandparents, who were of 70 plus age, 70, 60, 60 plus age, you can say it. So what they need when they grow up their children, they wish, they want that they give us also a time. Do not settle down in the relationship with their wife or their children, because they give you a birth. Your parents give you a birth, they give you life, they give you sport when you are nothing, they give you education, they give you every kind of love which no one can give you in your testing life. And they dedicate that life, so they need just one little bit attention. What happens when children not give that attention? It goes towards negative side, and parents usually were become disturbed and try to pay their role in a negative approach, in negative way, which usually don't. I just want to say kids not not like and send their parents to the old age home, which is definitely a wrong act, because to